Hey guys, Row Safety along with
TBW563
and
Ruskin Emergency Alerts.
and today we're going to be unboxing a ETON Zoneguard. Let's just go straight into the package. Oh my god, fail already.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna decorate my Christmas tree.
Whoa, it's in some sort of Christmas package.
Present.
It's a present. Please don't tell me we got ripped off. What? Why is it in this box?
What box?
What is this?
Huh?
Okay, I'm assuming the radio's in here.
Oh, please don't tell me it's like my 74.
Okay, it's in here.
My
Dang!
7-
This thing is small!
Hold on. My 74-200 was wrapped in 3 parcels.
Oh, yeah.
This thing is small!
Yeah, the Zoneguard is small.
Alright.
It is a small radio.
Yeah, it looks pretty small.
Alright, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and push all the buttons. You know, we gotta wish it good luck in its service.
I mean, Ybor City
Okay.
isn't that much of a hellhole.
I got all the buttons. Is there no adapter?
It's not as sketchy as, like northern Tampa.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, this thing didn't even come with an adapter.
What?
It didn't come with an adapter.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, alright, I need to go get batteries for this thing. Alright, so, in the menu... Bro, I sound so stupid right now. Setup time.
Okay. Yeah. Set up your time. Oh, yeah. Also, go to defat siren.
Okay, defat siren.
Because that's what it says. It says defat siren.
Alright. I need to figure out how to set the time, because, like, there's no select button, so it's kind of hard.
There is a select button.
No, there isn't.
Wait, hold on. Let me... I think I'm tripping on something. Give me a second.
Memory.
It's the, oh, yeah. You have to turn off that, and then you go here. Oh, you put up is the select button. Or no, menu is the select button. I think. No, right. Right is the right or left.
Oh, okay, there we go. We got it.
Yeah, right and
Alright.
left is.
What time is it? I'm gonna just go off my WR120. It is 4:44 p.m. Oh, would you look at that? All fours. Actually, hold on.
Time that is 8
It
hours
is-
and 43 minutes.
It's 4:43 actually. Defat siren. Not messing with that. County all alert siren. Voice. Voice.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Setup time. How do I?
Winds 10 to 15 knots.
Okay, that's the station we want it on. Oh,
Hours.
sorry? Okay.
Tuesday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6.
This
feet
is
with
max
occasional
volume and
seas
it's
to
pretty
7
quiet.
feet. Slight chance of shower.
Okay. So that, I guess that's gotta conclude the unbox. Oh wait, actually, hold up.
Chance of showers. Wednesday, east winds 15
Oh, I
knots.
thought this was like...
Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional.
Oh, it has AM, FM. Yeah, I see that.
Exchange
Alright. Let me, change it to 88.3. Alright, I put it on 88.3. Alright, so I guess that's gonna conclude the unboxing and setup of the ETON Zoneguard. I hope you enjoyed. I know I sounded like a total idiot doing this unboxing, but it's whatever. And we were joined by...
CBW 563.
And Ruskin emergency alerts.
Are you muted?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'll see you guys later.